Hey guys, this is my first video regarding a Leatherman. This is my setup currently. So in here I have the Leatherman Wave. In the side pocket I have a flashlight that I got from Bass Pro Shop. And then I have the Leatherman ratchet driver. So this Leatherman Wave, if you guys don't know already, has a serrated blade. It has a normal blade, which I have used, so it's probably really dirty. Then it has a saw. My voice is kind of bad because I'm a little sick right now, but this is not my normal voice. File, diamond coated file, a normal metal file, I think that's what it's called. And then right here I have a customization thing on it. Tweezers. That's that. On the inside, you got your needle nose pliers, your regular pliers, interchangeable wire cutters, wire crimpers, and then I don't know if you can see this, but right here there's a ruler. Then you got your interchangeable bit driver. I'm getting a bit kit in from Leatherman soon. So you got your regular Phillips head and your flat head with this bit driver, or the ratchet driver. Just slide it in there, put your bit in there, and then if you can see this, right here, there's a little thing right here. So that way means you can tighten it, but this way, loosen it. And then just the lock is right there, right in the middle. So that's that. That's for the bit driver. And then you have your wire stripper, bottle opener, and can opener. Then you have your scissors. These are all locking. All these tools are locking, other than the tweezers, which the tweezers do not come with this. Then you got your macro bit driver, which has the flat head and Phillips head for like eyeglasses. And then you have your giant flathead screwdriver. So that is that for the Leatherman. And then I just got this nice flashlight. Pretty bright. And this is the case I got a while ago, or not that long ago. So yeah, that's it. First video regarding a Leatherman.